Being the best player, you should recruit first in Baseball 9. So when you recruit a player in Baseball 9, you should always recruit infielders first before everything else because they make the most plays recommending third baseman or shortstop. So what is an infielder? If you go to recruits here, an infielder is called a first baseman, and then a second baseman, a shortstop, and then a third baseman. So those four things I just mentioned, you should recruit first. So a first baseman like this one, and then a second baseman like this one, and then a shortstop like this one, and then a third baseman as well like this, right? Now, after you cut all of those infielders, then you can start recruiting outfielders, which is like left fielders, center fielder, and then right fielders as well. So like these center, and then right fielders, and then right fielders like this. You should also recruit a hitter as well, because usually a hitter and a pitcher, they'll gain up EXP as well. So you can get more out of them when you got in. But of course, to summarize, recruit infielders first and then outfielders. And then when you have time to do pitchers and also hitters, recruit them as well.